Hi, welcome to this guitar techniques video. So in this video we're going to look at a little lead trick that you can do to just add a little bit more expressiveness to your lead playing. So what that involves is just when you're picking the string, instead of just using the pick, which gives you that sound, what I do is I'll dig the pick in a little bit further and actually use the nail of the index finger to do a little bit of that sort of sound, and it just gives you a little bit more definition on the note rather than that's pick only, and that's with the nail. Pick only and fingernail. That was fingernail. Pick only. Just gives it a nice little snap to the sound. So this was actually came out of maybe making a mistake in my technique, perhaps, when I was trying to improve my pick playing and trying to build some speed with the right hand picking. I noticed that I was using the fingernail quite a bit, and I figured that maybe that might be slowing me down. So I tried to change that, but what I realized is I really did like the sound. So I still keep it for those moments where you want that extra bit of expression and a bit of definition coming from the note. So I'm digging in the pick, but I'm really using the fingernail. It's all downstrokes, of course, with the fingernail. But yeah, try it out, see if you can incorporate it into your lead playing and see if it makes a difference for you. So as always, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.